You won't.
I'm going to miss him.
Okay.
No, he's not.
Always waiting for you. Come on with bloody wellies, you fanny.
You ready?
I am ready.
He's ready. Ew, baby. Oh dear.
Oh my gosh.
Hey! Oh, fucking hell. I thought that were going to be massive with how it sounded.
You do it. Doof.
Doof. Oh, that one was nice. Careful.
That would be anticlimactic, wouldn't it?
Don't go near them.
There'll be one, babe.
No.
I just checked them. They're burning over there.
It's already been done.
And look at all this smoking.
I know, it's bad for you, anyway.
You look like a cat. Oh, he's tired. Oh, you little shit. What was that for?
Dad,
What?
are you okay?
Of course I am.
We're just checking.
Stop slapping me belly, you madder. Oh, wow. Them ones all there, look.
Yeah. And then a little.
Puffs. Puff. Oh, that's pretty. What have you done?
I tried praying and it fell out.
One fucking can.
Oh, wow, baby, can you see it? Can you see it?
And it's gone.
Woo! They're pretty.
Oh wow.
Wow.
It keeps going. Look, bird.
Oof.
Oh.
Oh, yay.
For yourself.
Way. Harry Potter. Did you just say Harry Potter?
I turned it off. Oh my god!
Yeah, it's alright. It's a baby. A booty baby booty. I do. What are you doing?
And this is my own gun.
He's fucking mad dead. Woo! Oh, that was cute. Oh!
That one's gone out.
Did it not even set off that one?
No.
Woo! Oh, shit my head. I actually shit my head then. Why is some louder than others?
Dad, no, you're a bad person.
What the?
I'm not getting my head out.
Oh, I'd have moved. Oh.
Should have shut off.
Yeah, I know it should have done.
I didn't die, no.
No, didn't say you were going to, you madad. Nicely.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
You just got your horse out, you scrubber. I'd move. Woo! Yay!
How I go to my holiday? Go back Christmas.
Oh, fucking hell.
Keep on coming.
Yes, it is rubbish. All damn rubbish.
Sorry, Bother.
I will move it.
Look at that pretty one. Shift Iden. Thank you. Shift Iden.
I did Klondike. Move it. Woo! Woo!
Back up now.
Back up. Right, stop now. Stop now, babe. Woohoo! Give them daddy.
That's your wank.
And weird. Oh, I get naked.
No, you're not. Keep your jumper on, please.
Go you.
I swear down. Oh my god.
I'll be alright.
Watch it.
Woohoo! That were a loud one. I don't know where over him went. It went.
Up in other house.
Oh. You sounded like Peter Griffin. You stink.